so cold. Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to GoZoo. The virtual zoo that allows you to learn about any animal, anytime, and anywhere in the world. As you can see, I'm very far away from the zoo. That's because I'm in Antarctica, the world's coldest, driest, windiest, and iciest place. And I'm on a special quest for the zoo to find some Adelie Penguins. But I'm sure you're wondering, what's an Adelie Penguin? Okay, let me tell you all about it. Adelie Penguins are flightless birds that always look smart with a black head and beak, white chest and belly, and white rings around their eyes. These birds look like they're wearing a really nice tuxedo. The Adelie penguin is the most widely spread penguin species in the world. They are found around the Antarctic coastlines and islands close to it. The wind. Many years ago, in 1840 to be precise, a French explorer named Jules Dumont d'Urville discovered the penguins and decided to name them after his wife Adelies to honor her. And that's how they got their names. Ooh. These penguins are mid-sized flightless birds who have an elongated torpedo-shaped body that helps them to pierce through water. This makes them very great swimmers. They also have pink webbed and coarse feet that has nails on it. This helps them to climb through the rocky ground and aids them when they are swimming. Whew. If you look over there right now, you'll see that the penguins are eating their favorite meal called krill. Because they eat other animals, they are called carnivores. Adelies are very sociable animals. They like to stay in large groups just like they are doing now. A group on land is called a colony, while a group in the water is called a raft. Male Adelies are nest builders, and they build their nest with small rocks. They use their beaks to roll or pick up the rocks, and if they feel their nest isn't big enough, they are known to steal rocks from their neighbors. Their aim in building fancy nests is to attract females by having the biggest and the best nest. Adelies bring their babies into the world as eggs. After laying their eggs, both parents take turns sitting on the eggs to keep it warm. This process is known as incubation. After about 32 to 34 days, the eggs hatch and the chicks come out using their one lone tooth to break their shells. The parents take care of them until they are about 3 weeks, and then they leave to look for food. Ooh, it's getting really cold. When they are gone, the chicks gather in the safety of a large group of other young penguins. This group is called a crèche. By the time they are 9 weeks old, the Adelie chicks now have waterproof adult feathers, so they plunge into the sea and start hunting for their own food. Looks like my penguins are packed and all ready to go. That means I've got to go too. But first, it's time to remember all we've learned today. Adelie penguins are named after the wife of the French explorer Jules Dumont d'Urville. Adelie penguins are flightless birds. Birds are warm-blooded animals that don't have teeth, have feathers, and lay eggs. Adelie penguins are carnivores, meaning they eat other animals. Brr. Adelie babies are called chicks, and a group of them is called a crèche. A group of Adelie penguins on land is called a colony, while a group in water is called a raft. Alright guys, I'll see you back at the zoo. Bye!